quickest YouTube tutorial ever made. Hey, it's Underdrummer here with another helpful how-to video. I've been accused of making too long how-to videos. They're just too long. 8 minutes. People can't deal with 8 minutes. They're not fucking 8 minutes to waste. How about 4 minutes then? 4 minutes. People should have 4 minutes at least. Oh, fuck you. 4 minutes is way too fucking long. I got shit to do. Time. Fuck you. That's too long. Alright, how about a minute and a half? A minute and a half fucking how-to video. Suck on this. There is no playable media. There is no playable media. So you want to play music on your PS4. Here's the things you're going to need. USB stick flash drive things. A PlayStation controller. An actual PS4. A TV. And a computer. Put the USB drive in the computer. I don't have time to screen capture. We gotta keep this shit short. Just filming my computer monitor with my camera. Right click on your USB drive. Choose Format. Make sure you choose exFAT. It has to be exFAT. It can't be anything else. It must be exFAT. When your USB drive is done and it's formatted in exFAT, put these 6 folders in there. Game, music, photo, save data, video. Oh, there's only 5. Exactly how they're spelled. Go download Media Player on your PS4. It has these things. Plug the flash drive into your PS4. If you have Media Player installed, it will immediately go to Media Player. Like that. Use your controller to select Media Player. Select the USB drive. Check music. It works. Check photo. It works. Check video.
Hello everybody, it's Underdrummer here, back with another helpful how-to video.
It works. Give yourself a nice pat on the back. You did it. Good job! Is that short enough? Fuck! We're rapidly approaching the 2-minute mark. I just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope this was a quick tutorial for you. Goodbye!